Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to make this beautiful nameplate with waste material. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here I have taken a cardboard box. You can see I have drawn a rectangle of 20 cm by 8 cm, and now I will cut the cardboard using paper knife. Now we have to attach papers in the side of the cardboard. You can see I have covered the cardboard using paper. Now I have taken the wall putty mixture and I will apply the mixture on the cardboard. You can see I have applied it and it dried completely. Here I have taken wall putty dough. The video link of wall putty dough is given in the description box. Now I will cover the sides like this. You can see I have covered the sides. Now I am making flower using wall putty clay. So our flower is ready. Here I have also added a leaf. Now I will cover the other corners using flowers and leaves. You can see I have decorated it with flowers and leaves. Now I have taken glue and I will write the name using glue. I am writing the name of my channel, My Hobbies and Ideas. You can write the name whatever you want. Now I will sprinkle wall putty dust on this. I will now remove the excess. Here I am applying white acrylic color on this. Now I will color the flowers, leaves and the backgrounds using acrylic color. I have colored it and I have also written the name. I am showing you how to write it. I am now coloring the veins of the leaves using black color. I have made this color using yellow and red. I will now highlight these flowers using this color. I have taken yellow acrylic color and mixed some water with this. And I will apply the yellow color on the leaves like this. I have taken golden color and I will apply the golden color on the flowers to highlight them. I am now applying the golden color on the sides of the nameplate using my finger. You can see this portion is empty, so I will write something on this area. So you can see the nameplate is ready. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to tap the bell icon so that you are notified when I upload a new video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.